Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name within the Call of Duty Warzone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have opened up the Call of Duty Warzone game, then you might notice that you are not able to change your name. So if you wish to change your name within the game, then you will need to change the name from your Steam account. So go ahead and open up the Steam application, and once you open it up and log in, just click on your user ID at the top right corner and then click on View My Profile. You can now click on Edit Profile and you will now be able to change your profile name. Go ahead and type in your desired name for your profile within the profile name section, and after entering your desired name, you can scroll down and click on the Save button. After clicking on Save, your name will now be changed within your Steam account, and it will also be changed within the Call of Duty game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name within the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.